Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Nice snowy day. Looks pretty on the trees. Even the turkeys are here looking for some food. The other day it was 59 degrees and now we got snow again. Well, I was plowing the driveway. This happens every once in a while. The cable connectors came off this thing right here, so I just got to reattach it. In the meantime, the plow just came, but we'll see. I usually plow enough ahead so when the plow comes I hardly get nothing, so we'll have to see what happens. In the meantime, I'm gonna work on this. Okay, let's see if we're in plowing business. Back to work. And we didn't get much from the plow. Yahoo. Awesome. Always pays to push it back ahead of time. Having some nice steaks, and then we're going to watch the football game. Like our potatoes nice and crispy. Boy, these are some big steaks. Smells so good. Why go out when you can make it at home? These steaks total costing me $26. You know you're going to pay at least $50 or more at a restaurant. I haven't filmed for a couple of days, but today we're having chicken wings. They were on sale for $2.49 a pound, but this doesn't look like a chicken wing. I know my chickens. This is a wing. I mean, it'll be fine, but yeah, I don't think the people that were sorting knew what was a wing and a leg. If that's the case, this country's in a big world of trouble. All right, I'll put them on the grill, show you what they look like after they're done. All right, the wings are all sauced up, ready to be eaten. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming up real soon. Take care.